with my friends and sisters. This is my sister, this is my kapitbahay. Tapos we're going to try yes or no. This is my neighbor.
We're gonna play Charlie about yes or no.
Okay, say something.
Charlie, are you here? Tagal naman nga.
Wait lang. Charlie, are you here?
Charlie, are you here?
Hello. Yes now, yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. He said yeah. Yes now, yes.
No.
No way. Yes. He's here.
Charlie is here. Charlie is here.
No, okay, let's do it in this one. This one is the real one. Atina, alisin mo. Okay. Yes, now! He's here! Okay. Let's fix it. Wait lang. Fix. Okay. Yan na. Go. Yeah! Tagal.
Nakakainin kasi itong pencil.
Ah!
Baby Rachel. Na.
Ito, nakadikit to. Nakakainis!
Guys!
What's happening here? Oh my gosh.
Na. Sabi daw ni Ray. Charlie, are you here? Sabi niya yes. Dali.
Ito one. Yes daw. Okay, yes daw.
Okay.
Go. Say something.
Charlie.
Go na.
Go na.
Charlie, are you a good spirit? Are you a good spirit?
Are you a good spirit? Yes, daw. Yes.
Let's go. Okay. Are you a angel? Are you an angel? Are you an angel?
Charlie.
Wait
Are
lang.
you an angel?
Woo! Listen mo. Pasti. Charlie. Are you angel?
Are you an angel? Tagal naman ito.
Tagal mag-usap, hindi iisip pa. Angel talaga siya! Angel!
Kay Faith.
Yes! Oh my gosh, real talaga!
Charlie.
Please subscribe!
Charlie.
Wait lang, nakadikit.
lang. Charlie, are you a monster?
Wait lang, Faith. Nakadikit. Parang Alita! Ayusin mo. Oh my gosh. Kada? Shh, be quiet. Charlie, are you a monster? Yes, 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 yes!
Mami, dalaw niya.
Yes daw, monster baga siya. Monster baga siya.
Oo nga.
Monster! Wow! Monster! Okay guys. Okay guys, that is for today. Make sure to like and subscribe.